Did you know Hurricane Milton is a Category 5 storm barreling toward Tampa Bay? That's right. On October 8, 2024, this beast is dispatching 165 miles per hour winds and could unleash a historic 15 feet of storm surge. Tampa's mayor is sounding the alarm, saying, if you stay, you might not make it. This area hasn't faced a major hurricane in nearly a century, and now it's about to get hit hard. With millions at risk and recovery from past storms still ongoing, it's a wake-up call about climate change. Are we ready for what's coming next?